Elliott,
What?
the churros are here. Shall we have a look? Maybe Mummy can help with them while I video this.
Wait, video?
Yeah.
Not video.
For your channel. Let's have a look. Wow. Wait. Why don't you sit down then? Why don't you sit down? Let me move the table a bit.
Double turn.
Look, some sugar.
Sugar.
De hecho, por encima lo mojáis. ¿Eh?
Lo mojamos.
Let me just... Come on.
Hi.
Are you going to open the chocolate? Whoa. That's really chocolatey, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's going to be hot though. So show everyone how you do it. What do you do?
I blow.
And then...
I dip a very little bit.
And you put it in your mouth. Is it good?
Yes. That's what you do when you just got chocolate and it's very hot.
Okay.
Or sometimes you can just put like your little finger in and lick it out.
I like it. Just by itself it's good sometimes, isn't it? And then you dip it in the chocolate. And we can sit down, I'm not in the way. He doesn't... Looks good, doesn't it? Now dip it again. Just show everyone how to do it.
Now?
It's really hot there, you have to blow, don't you?
Now, we dip it in some sugar.
Ooh, chocolate first and then sugar. That's dangerous.
Oh. And then it's a delish.
Okay. You want to say goodbye to your fans?
Okay.
Or you want to
Bye.
show them something else?
Okay.
It's up to you.
Nothing.
Bye.